you just like deleting the other video?
No, I just cleared up other stuff.
Huh?
I cleared other stuff.
Oh, my foot. Oh my god, this is not a good feeling. So, I'm trying to like get my flashlight back on.
You ran out of battery. You're not going to get it back on.
Well, why won't it go back on?
Because you used up all the battery.
It needs to go. Oh my god, I'm scared of poop. Oh my god, don't turn around. Oh my god, just walk straight towards this tree. Oh my god, this tree. Oh, that's a fence.
That's exactly what I wanted. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
That was legendary.
Legendary. Oh god.